Let's share this live. Hi, Nation. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome into my life. Hi, how are you doing? How was your holidays? How was your holidays, Nation? Welcome in, share the live. Hello, Sylvester Fox. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome into my live. Welcome and share the live as you come in. Welcome, welcome. It's been a while. I haven't been on live. Just coming here to say hi. How are you doing? How is your holiday going? Are you still tired from your Easter break? What did you do for your Easter? Where did you go? And did you have fun? Did you get any rest? Yes, come on in and let's chat. Let's chat. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Share the live. Come on in. Come on in and let us chat a little bit. Yes. Come and let's chat. Hello, hello, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in. Come on in. Just a little chatting is we're going to do to see how did we enjoy our Easter break and how are the kids. Now they are back at school. Come on in. Yes. So, hey Shauna, how you doing? Are you rested from your Easter break, or are you tired from partying and going to carnival and these things? Well, for me, convention was all about Easter after that whirlwind trip to the country. The rest is convention. Yes. Convention, still tired from the trip too, and from, oh, you did went, oh yes, you say you were going in this, yes, 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 sorry, yes, you see what I'm talking about now. Yes, the trip is tiring going into country and back. It's very, very, very rocky, and we could call it now, Lola says she felt nauseous watching the video. I think so, yes. So it's the road is like that. Hi Lola, welcome in, share the live guys and welcome in. Yes, so the road is really bad, but you see the parts that are done, oh my God, they're awesome. So I just can't imagine when the road is finally fixed, how beautiful that will be in and out of St. Thomas. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. Hi, Nishan. Finally, I catch one of my live. First, me seeing one of my live in Nishan. Welcome in, welcome in. Glad to have you guys. We just here chit chatting about our Easter, how it went. What did you do? Where did you go? Yes. Come on in and let's chat about it a bit. And how are you feeling now that the children are back at school? I know it's not when the children are back at school in my neck of the woods. Carnival costumes were amazing. Yes, I saw some of them. It's not the first. Okay, sorry. Sorry, Nishan. Yes, Carnival. I saw some of them might as well. They never did put on nothing. It's just the heavy stuff them have on them back and stuff. But no, basically, skimpy clothes. I never get to see it because, as I said before, I have convention. So most of my time was, I didn't go in person, but I was on live every day. And it's for the entire day. Each day it's from Tuesday to Sunday. So it starts like 9 o'clock Tuesday morning and it gives you break for lunch, then you come back at 2, and then you break again in the evening at 5, and then you come back at 6 for the evening session. So it's like for those days, the church keep right throughout the day. You have different things. So didn't get to go or see anything about carnival, just what people post. I was like, man, these are what they have on out there in the street. A good thing they didn't go all over Kingston this year. They stayed in New Kingston, I believe, on the boulevard, in at Knutsford, what name? Knutsford Boulevard. Yeah, they didn't go to the different areas like first time in Kingston, because one at a time I could stay from my house and look outside. There was one of the band out there, but they didn't do that this year. They stayed put, which is good. Welcome, Arias. I watched you exercise and I watched you the other day on the beach. Oh, really? I couldn't even see the thing them. The sun, man. Sorry about that, Nishan. 11 eyes, very impy skin. You see? Oh, you were in Kingston? Yeah, it was like the clothes them was like, Let me say, what I wrote this day? It was like, but yeah, I heard that it went well, but it clashed with my convention final day. So yeah, but I guess the economy get a boost from it, because I think you have a lot of foreigners that flew in for the carnival just to experience and stuff like that. So yeah, you're supposed to make some good money from it, economically wise. But what else did we do? Where else did we go? What else did we do? Why the country nice? Nice. The beach, and all now me get avant sunburn because I forget my sunscreen, and like my face, my numbers is stripping. My mother could see my skin like it burn. I asked me what happened to my face. I was telling her forgot to tell her that I went to the beach until afterward. I called her and said, "Oh, that is what you saw. My face got burned because I went to the sea and it was so hot and I forgot my sunscreen." But yeah, it was a great day, great experience, great weekend. Yeah, long time at Easter never turn up, so the next time I go that side, I want to go to Reggae Falls or Portland at Reach Fall. Yeah. We have one life to live, so we're going to have to enjoy it. Nobody going to make it happy for us. We're going to have to make it happy for ourselves. So do the best we can to enjoy every minute of the day that we get. Every chance that we get, do something to make you feel good. Do something for yourself. Do something for your family. Don't wait on somebody else to do it for you. It will not be the same. You have to do it yourself. Even though the St. Thomas Road was so rocky and I reached though. And when I reached, I not even did want to come back. Everybody was saying, "You're going away already, and Auntie?" My cousin was saying, "No, Auntie, don't go yet. Stay one next day or 2 days, you know." And St. Thomas for the weekend until today. I'm so tired. Oh wow. Here, girl, I have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Nishona, that's great. That's great. That's awesome. It was the longest holiday for us, basically, is Easter, because you get it from the Friday. Some people get holiday from only Thursday off, like maybe half day. So you get that plus Friday, plus Saturday, plus Sunday, plus Monday. It's like a week vacation. So you're just going to have fun and enjoy it. Yeah. So that was great. How you guys on the bun and cheese? You know, buy off all of my spare the bun and cheese and purity. No bun no leaving at the supermarket. No, we need to go to the gym. Who is coming? No, we need to go to the gym. No, we need to go to the gym, guys. The bun and cheese and the ice cream and the cake and the this and the food. Yeah, we need to go to the gym to get rid of some of that. Good evening, Shireen. Yeah, we need to go to the gym to get rid of that excess fat that is gonna come on. Say Thursday next week. You're going to feel it. But yeah, it was a good Easter. I hardly hear of anything that is not supposed to happen. Anything is happening, well, those are out of our control. But yeah, it was well spent. Yeah, what else? What else we need to talk about? What else? Auntie, have a topic the other day, and I was going to talk about it on the air. Oh yes, no, we need the washout. Yes, we need washout. Who still take washout? Who still take herbs? Who still do cleansing? Because after you eat certain things, you need a little cleansing, you know? Wash out, just drink something, add some green juice, some green something, take some. People don't take herbs like that anymore. I don't believe so. You have like, what name again? Those those medicine nowadays that allow you to for worms and stuff. Those worms don't come out whole again anymore. They come out differently than the first time when you used to see them come out whole. That was scary. That was scary. Yes, I ate a lot of Miss Birdie bun with cheese that weekend, but now I'm back to my healthy eating. Oh, wow. All right, so now that you're back to your healthy eating, let's going back to your healthy eating, erase the cheating moments, and I think it will. Yeah, it will. Yes, Nishan cheated. Yes, but I think if you going back to it, no, to your regular, stick to your diet where you used to, it will erase the cheating of the bun and cheese and things. Yeah, so that's good. So Nishan confessed that she cheated. Well, most of us would have cheated because bun and cheese is not a part of our healthy eating or healthy diet, even though some of the buns, because my bun that I bought is the one without sugar or the less sugar one. Bun and cheese is so easy to eat at this time because it's all out there in your face, and this is the time when we all eat these things. And Nishana, please to tell Tammy that I'm live and we are not coming to our live right now because I am live. You can imagine. Oh. Here are you. Yeah, tell her. So yeah, so we have to be cognizant of the fact that we did eat some cheese and bun and whatever else. So we are going to try our best to get some exercise in. So we need to do some more exercise. Auntie's live too. Oh no, I didn't even realize. Okay, so we have to hurry up and finish over here. Yes. Because see, Rosie Bird sending me, tagging me there. These Easter buns are so sweet. As you eat it, you want to sleep. Blood. And that's the worst thing, Shireen. After you eat the bun, you go sleep. At that time, you put on the weight, you know? I have not eaten any rice from April 1st. Wow. Awesome. 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 That's so awesome. I wish I could say that. Everybody tagging me now because Auntie's live. That's so awesome. See, so sometimes I want to come live and I don't know what time because the live, our lives surrounded watching lives. Is that rain that? No? Yes, she just came on. Okay. Okay. Yeah, she tagged everybody. I ate the forbidden bun too. You eat the forbidden bun? That's how you call it? The forbidden bun? Yeah. When you have more than one device, you can watch a little of every little thing, you know? But yeah. So Lola said she ate some of the forbidden bun. And what next, Lola? Are you going to do some exercise, or are you going to do some cleansing, or are you going to do some what now? What are you going to do after? Because yes, we recognize our weaknesses, so we need to put some measures in place to correct it. I don't eat any bread or rice for about 2 months now. Jesus, why not do me that? It's like my weakness is in bun and rice, you know, bread and rice, you know. Jesus, you're not supposed to eat it. I know we're not. At our age, we're not supposed to eat so much sweet, and we're not supposed to eat so much rice. I try to eat the brown bread. Is that okay, guys? Where I left off. Okay, great. Just trying back that diet. That's great. That's great. Great. That's great. Mashawn, that is awesome. Me said that is awesome because bread, rice, my weakness. I try to eat the quinoa, but I still go back and eat rice. I don't know. I have to try practice not to. When I cook and eat just vegetables with the protein. That's not too bad. To have a lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, eat instead of the rice. You know, when you do that, you're going to eat more. You're going to want to eat regularly because the vegetables are not that filling. So maybe you can have small amounts each time. And then remember your fruits and remember your fruits. You can't eat too much fruits, depends on your diet because some fruits are very sweet and we have to choose maybe mix them up, mix up the fresh fruits with the sweet fruits and have them. You don't eat any bread? It's awesome. I need to stop eat bread. But I eat the brown one, you know, not white bread. I need to eat brown bread. I need to eat brown rice too. Brown rice is so hard to cook. Anybody else have that problem? It take longer. When I cook brown rice, it's like I have to cook it when I'm not really hungry so that it spend more time to cook. Yeah, it can be very hard to cook. I don't know how else I can get it to be easy, cook easily, but brown rice, yeah, challenging. I heard somebody, I don't like bread, but I love my fruits and vegetables. Okay, great. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Fruits and vegetables. Awesome. For you eat them in the right portion. Water crackers. Okay, I need to get some of that. I realize crackers is good. when you feel hungry and stuff, instead of like in the nights when you're having a cup of tea, you can have some crackers with it, instead of eating the bread and the heavy food. That's a good one. I can't bother with brown rice. It's hard to for real. Jesus. I don't know, brown rice hard for cook, so what the wheat in it or something? Make it hard for cook, so brown rice. Every time I cook it, I quarrel. You have to not hungry, just not waiting on my rice and just know say it's gonna stay on the stove for maybe half an hour or more to cook. But if me really hungry, me can't really cook brown rice. Lots of veggies. Okay. I'm gonna have to try and start doing that too, Lola. Take my diet into control. Remove the starches, much of some of the well, you need a little, and just stay with the veggie. Sweet is not good, but the fruits them have so much sugar, like the mango sugar, the banana sweet. Some fruits are just sweet. I guess we're not to eat certain fruits or we have to limit how much you eat, how much sweet, how much of those fruits you eat. Yeah, but as I said, we just come here to get a little chit chat going. Sylvester is still here. I don't even see him. I don't see he's commenting. I don't know who is Sylvester, but he has been commenting on my videos and I appreciate him. I don't know who he is. If he can just, that's the thing with YouTube, if you don't know the people them name from over somewhere else, or some people have different names on YouTube, so you don't even know them, but they are commenting and they are liking your videos. So that's the problem. Oh, you're listening. Ah, great. Today I have roast chicken, water crackers, tomatoes, and cucumber and water. That sound good, eh? That sounds so good. Yeah, me I forgot go supermarket nation. I need to go supermarket. I need to buy crackers, cucumbers, and I have how much cucumbers spoil in my fridge. I need to go shopping. Okay. I need to go shopping to get those water crackers and roast chicken going. Yes, Anita, I see you tagging me, yeah? And good evening. Hi, Radine. Somebody please tag Anita and tell her, say, yes, I'm over on my channel. Oh, she tagged me because Tammy's on live. Well, I was there. Yeah, so we have to be careful of how we eat and ensure that when we eat in portion and make sure whatever it is we're consuming is healthy for our body. We are protecting the body that we get. We have to protect it. No one gonna protect it for us. We have to see it. Look at Auntie. Lord, Auntie motivating me even more now to go back to the gym. I'm gonna ride the bicycle again. I am going. I'm going and I'm going to have to walk up the hill. I'm gonna try schedule that soon so that I can walk up the hill. It's a very steep hill, Mountain Spring. It's very steep and very far. So when you walk one of that, maybe you need just 2 or 1 of that for the week for walking. I used to do it. I think I have some of those on my channel that I used to walk. The very first videos them are there. very first. Yeah, you have to take care of your body. Nobody not going to take care of it for you. And listen, guys, the same money that you're saving by buying the cheaper items in the supermarket that is not good for you, you might have to spend much more than that on medicine and medication. So let us do the right thing from beginning by buying the things that are not really expensive but are nutritious and will help us to live a healthy life. Yeah, because Mr. Meds, not cheap. Mr. and Mrs. Meds, not cheap at all. So might as well that money that we're saving up, we just do the right thing from beginning. If it's that, we're not supposed to, we're lactose intolerant for milk, and we're not supposed to drink the regular cow's milk. Let us put the money aside and buy one, if even one box of almond milk, and maybe a bottle of coconut water. Get some coconut and get them ox out and put in a container that will serve you for maybe the week. Yeah, it makes sense. You save the money and spend it otherwise. Just spend it on yourself and live healthy. I realized that late, but I am doing it. It makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, make much sense. Sometimes the cheap things that we are running to have, not because it's cheap, it's not healthy. It's not healthy. Look at flour. Flour is so cheap, and it's not healthy. You know, the things that we really want to buy with that money that we buy the flour with, it can't even half buy it. It can't even half touch it. Because the flour is much cheaper, we go for it. But yeah, some people will say it's what they can afford. I know it's hard. It's hard. You hard, Silver Fox? It's really hard. You're eating healthy. You're spending the money on the right things. It will worth everything that you're doing later on. So go out and walk, go to the beach, drive to the country slowly and observe the birds, the trees, the hills, everything. Do the observance in your mind, look and smell the fresh air. What else? Go take a break. Go to a park or something, sit down, have fun with the animals, go to the zoo, go back to nature, get a bird, watch something that is different, something that is nature truly bright. Go get back into it. I remember when Barbara Grudon was what would I like to know? If you're eating healthy or you're buying the healthy stuff, things for your body. And Barbara Grudon used to be alive. She used to say, I know much of you drive out every morning and you never notice the moon set at that direction in the evening or the sunset in that direction, and the beauty of the sunset, you never notice that because guess what, you're always rushing. You're rushing home. You're rushing that you don't spend time to relax and absorb some of these nature stroll. Get it into your system, breathe fresh air, rushing back into Kingston, rushing back to wherever. And you don't stop to think and say, okay, great, I am a vegetarian. Wow. So don't bother to look at some of my not so healthy recipe, but that, congratulations. That nice. I used to be a pescatarian for about a year and a half. Only eat fish, vegetables, and then I went back. I need to start over. And when I came back, when I started to eat other meat. Lord, I want pork every day. I don't know. When I stop eating certain things, I don't know if it's me alone. One time I stop and was eating chicken and them something there. When I start back, I can't help it. I eat them more than before. But I need to cleanse up my diet. I need to do that. It's very important and it's very healthy when you, if you even not to go full vegetarian, but some days just eat, have a no meat meal, or go peas, or do some vegetarian stuff like chickpeas or lentil and them something there. You know, just put aside some of the days where you don't eat meat and just, because sometimes I like going to the vegetarian place like down the road and buy lentil patty or chickpeas patty instead of going to juicy beef and tasty. You can also try raw food. Yes, raw food is good. Yeah, I know. I saw a restaurant on TV, J, that does raw menu, and it looks and taste and it looked like it tastes good. I Mr. Neville eat taste it and he said, and Neville said, "This is really raw. This is raw food I'm eating." And it seems like it tastes real good. Nuts and beans, yeah. So Sylvester Fox need to do up some menu and send it along to me so that I can do it and put it up for my viewers to try them. All right, Sylvester Fox. I don't know. You're gonna send it to me, I don't know if you're on Facebook, but you're gonna have to send me some of your menus so that I can fix them for my channel. Yeah. So it's great when you have different types of menu, different varieties to have. Mix up your diet. Just mix it up. If you can't go full vegetarian, just mix it up and put in some vegetarian stuff. I think I used to cook I call it veggie chunks. Used to cook it and I cook sweet and sour veggie chunks and I stew it and it tastes good. Yeah, it really tastes good. So some of the meals can really, you don't miss the meat when if it cooks properly. If you cook it properly and know how to spice it up and change it up, you're not gonna miss meat. The nutritionist says if you're good for 6 days, you're allowed a treat on the 7th day. Don't overdo it though. Okay. Oh, you have a nutritionist? I need one. You love nuts? Okay, great. Raw food menu I all over the internet. YouTube is the only social media I hang out on. I am not on Facebook. Okay, great. Oh, so glad to meet you over here, Silver Fox. Nice to have you over here. I am happy that you choose my channel to come and hang out when I'm on live, and I'm happy you choose to like and comment on my videos. I'm grateful. And so are the others. I am grateful that you are here supporting, and I'm grateful for your support. When I send out a video, I can see the persons who run towards it to do me a comment or to tell me, oh, the menu must taste good or it looks good. I like that. That's great. That's great. Are you from Jamaica, Silver Fox? Are you from Jamaica? I am from Jamaica. Are you from Jamaica? I would love to know. I would love to know if you're from Jamaica. Yeah, raw food is. I'm going to do some. I'm going to Google someone and try and do some vegetarian meal for my channel. A lot of persons asking from long time. I've not gotten a chance to do it, but I'm going to try and do it soon. You're from St. Catherine? Oh, okay. Nice to have you. Awesome. Awesome. Mm, awesome. Guys, show Silver Fox some love. He's always here. From the first time he came here and saw my live, he's always coming back. When I guess he has my notification on, so as soon as I am on, he's here, and that is wonderful. Oh, you're living in, but you're from St. Catherine. Oh, nice. Nice. Welcome. Good to have you. I'm glad you didn't forget your roots, which is St. Catherine. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. I guess one of these days we'll meet up and we'll know each other in person. But nice to have you, Silver Fox. Yes. What else we need to discuss now? What else? Anybody children went back to school today? I know the traffic might be more today because between now and tomorrow for the children going back to school. This time after back to school, you can imagine, especially for the prep school. That would be great. And of course, it would be great for us to meet up. Of course, it would be awesome for the children going back to school. They didn't for this summer term. I think it's summer term next, Yeah, April, May. Woo! Don't say it. 3 months before summer. You can imagine, guys. When I just started Christmas the other day, we just came out of Christmas the other day, and we have 3 months leave before we get to summer. Wow. Wow. So it's 3 months to spare for the kids to, especially for the prep school, to pay for that school fee, and another 3 months your children are out. Oh wow. Yes, man, I gotta do it. Yeah, Lola Lola from Bagwalk girl here in New Jersey. Wow, look at that. Come on, man, start up the reunion, man. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Yeah, man, me I got do it. Me I got do the I think me I got do the what you call it? Just said it a while ago. Sweet and sour tofu. I did it before. It come like you're doing chicken and then you do the sweet and sour sauce with it. I'm gonna try that again. I'm going to go and see how they do the chickpeas. I think that's easy. I saw it before. I never tried it. I eat it, but I never tried to cook it. That's easy. I saw how they made that. So I'm gonna get some of those on my channel. You're there. Connection. I go on in the US for 30 years now. Wow. 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 Awesome. More than half of my life. Awesome. Awesome. It's only me one from St. Thomas. All right. Same parish, of course. St. Catherine, how far? Not really far. We have highway now, Lola. What you talking about far? As you go up on the highway down the road. St. Catherine there now. St. Catherine over here, so. Highway over there, so. So you take highway quickly and you reach Old Harbor. that highway, PJ Patterson and St. Catherine. Which highway you used to go to St. Catherine? Maybe the Portmore Highway. St. Thomas's School. Of course, St. Thomas's School. St. Thomas's School. Very cool. I invite anybody to come over to St. Thomas. As soon as the road finish, it's gonna be a boom. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. We are getting there. All right. And make sure when you come in a roller, you try make me know so you come. Cause you know they're far from me. St. Catherine, they're far from town. Me have enough yard, but town for now is the main. St. Thomas is my place. So make sure when you come, you link me up. Roll make sure we know. Make we go places. Yeah. Yep. Like you're not going back. No man, the road by next year, the road done in the nation now. By next. Or you see the parts that give you trouble, the parts to go into Yellows. There's that part and the part from Pamphret to go into Roselle. Those two areas are terrible, but unless you're going further than where I go, after those two areas really sort out, the one into Yellows and the from Yellows going into Pamphret, yes, definitely. After those two, it not go so bad. And they're working hard because it wasn't like that a couple months ago since they exchanged the changeover from the first road person and get this new road contractor. They're working. Cause before Marant Bay never have that smooth piece of road there. And Prospect never have that smooth piece of road there. Them a work. Me used to when I went over before, me used to take like, hold on a minute, please. You reach? Let me call you back. You reach? Alright, I'll call you back. I'm on the live, so I call you back. Yeah. I went to okay, yeah, so a two little piece of road you have to deal with there, so and then two little piece there, soon fix. Then two little piece there, a little piece in Marant Bay, yes. Yeah, I showed that on my video, yes, the little piece there. The piece down a yellow stuff come up into Roselle. And then not even so far, it comes into White Horses. Into White Horses you get back on the old road, and then the old road take you down to Roselle, and then you get back on a little patchy beach there. So after you finish that little part, you go on the nice little piece. For me that show and I say, oh, see road there to go into Marant Bay. And then Marant Bay is basically they scrape it, so they soon asphalt it. So it soon be good, man. You in no time, it's like how we take and something from Marant Bay, like me, not the taxi, them take less. When that finish, all 30 minutes and 20 minutes, you reach home. You reach Marant Bay. Yeah, man, the yellow one is very terrible. It's really terrible. That one, I can't wait for them to fix it. But guess what? Yellow, when I go up in, I see one nice little gas station up Mac right in a poor man's corner there. One nice new total gas station bill. I say, who built that? That's something that's so fast. Yeah, it's like everybody is knowing that development is coming, road is fixing, so business are boom, people start building things and come over with them business. Got the price soon. I mean, take off, And we can't wait for the center there where the Prime Minister said, the first center of excellence that coming right at Goodyear there, so. When that reach, Yeah, you see the gas station. Me say, hear me now. It's like them a turn that part of the highway like down when you're going to Mandeville, Clarendon, and you see the total where you can go to full up, and then when you come back, you go there for full up and come back. It's like them set it right there, so, you know? Right in the middle right there, so you can't out of petrol. If you're out of petrol, a year fall, so you have one there, so you have one out of Albion, and you have one below that one that is exactly almost in the town of Yalas, and then the rest is in Marant Bay. So you can't out of petrol when you go in St. Thomas. It's right there. And you can take a bathroom break there. Me say, you can take a bathroom break at the petrol station. So I'm happy that my parish is getting an upliftment, and I'm happy for the people. They have endured many years of the dust and the bad road and the this and the that, but when it's finished, as our Prime Minister said, it's gonna be a beauty. It's gonna be so easy. Everybody are gonna want to buy a piece of land out there because it's less congested coming from that side, and it's very mostly peaceful from that side. Me not really big up my parish because of my parish, but yeah, peaceful. We have beaches there. We have so many things there to have fun. So yeah, only thing we don't have, I want some more jobs in the parish. Yes, you're coming. You're coming, Silver Fox. Silver Fox. Sound like him a come at St. Thomas. Yeah, man, come man. Just tell money I come me set up the nice things for you. Give you the places where you can call to book yourself and um get your things going. Because we have quite a few guest houses over there, nice guest houses you can stay. And most of them are on the beachfront, so you don't even have to leave the guest house to go to the beach. It's right there. Yeah. So that's my beautiful parish. What else we need to talk about? Can go to about soon come out alive. Can you say okay? So what else can we talk about? Lola gone. What else can we talk about, Neshana? Oh, we can just end it here until another time. I love St. Thomas. Of course, St. Thomas is beautiful. Nice. St. Thomas is nice. No KFC there. It's gonna be at the center of excellence. All of those things come into the center of excellence when it's done. KFC, all the business places will be down there, tax office, registrar, general, everything going to be at that location when it finish. It's gonna be the first the Prime Minister saying on the first center of excellence. You know, long we are preach and we are beg them feel like it's gonna rain. We're begging them for a KFC if you come to St. Thomas. Long time, long time. They say, what? We don't have enough. It won't be feasible. But look at how many things come at St. Thomas, and we do chicken. We have a restaurant that do fried chicken. I don't know if it's still there, and it was like booming because people were like, when you're coming from Kingston from work, because most of us work in Kingston, when you used to come over evening time, you used to hungry and want something, so you stop and might, forget your chicken or whatever. And there is no KFC, but we have a restaurant, a place that do fried chicken and chicken dinner and stuff. And it did It did good. So you can imagine if we did have KFC. If we did have KFC, so they brought Tasty doing real good. Juicy ever full up. Me never can go into Juicy, go get Juicy patty. Finally nation, and when it come, me not even say finally until me see it. Yeah. It was, I think one is supposed to be in yellow soon, you know. Yeah, man, a KFC is supposed to be in yellow soon. The site was identified, it was there, everything we see it, man. I saw it on social media. It was, I think, to be open or to be finished to open in Yellows. Yeah, yeah, one is coming to Yellows. I need to look where I saw it again, but I saw it and everybody was happy. We were happy that it was coming to Yellows. I need to look back at it. When it come, not true. When it come, when it reach, me not stop clap. When KFC reach country, I am not stop clapping. I'm not gonna stop clapping. There are some nice food places out there still, you know, real nice food places. You can get nice food. The best ever steamed fish I had with bami fest and crackers and them something is from St. Thomas in Port Morant. Is the best steamed fish that ever. Me see one place down the road I try imitate it and it still can't taste like it. It still don't nice like it. The best steamed fish with bami, crackers. Anytime I go St. Thomas, I always want to go there. I didn't get to go there this time, but I always want to go there to have that meal. The best jerk chicken at St. Thomas at Yellows. You need to taste Yellows jerk chicken and jerk pork. The best festival, everything. It's like the food in St. Thomas where the people them cook, where we used to, tastes much and different and better than anywhere else where you eat it. Not tell no lie, just try it. Just try our jerk chicken at Yellows and the jerk pork. It's the best, one of the best ever. I thought KFC would be in all parishes by now. Seems like St. Thomas is a real sticks. Yeah, from long time then we can't get KFC. Long time. They did a survey and said it wouldn't be feasible out there. And then they after many years they did it again, and then they said they're going to bring it there, and I think it's coming. I think it's gonna be in Yellow soon. It was done, the survey was done, and they said it was coming. And with the Center of Excellence, when it finished, one is going to be there in Morant Bay. So guess what? We're not going to have one KFC when it comes. We're not going to have two, maybe we're going to have 3 and 4. So, soon come, man. It soon come. No worry on yourself. KFC soon come. KFC soon come. 2 KFC in my parish, sharing. Of course, the best KFC me eat. Oh my God, the KFC tastes so nice. I think I sent it. I think he sent it coming back from the zoo the other day. The best in the town of Senti. That KFC was awesome. That KFC that I had was so nice. I don't know if because I did hungry, but it was so nice. It was well prepared and it was nice. Some of the KFC them can be rushy and then don't cook it properly. So even though it's KFC, sometimes it not tastes good. Yeah, Santa Cruz, yeah. It was really well done and nice. All my daughter say it. Mommy, I never taste a KFC what tastes so nice it. 2 KFC in Ochi. Big Ochi and 2 KFC. 2 KFC in Ochi. Ochi big man, Ochi should have more. Mm, but KFC, best tasting KFC is in Jamaica, for sure. Of course, there should be many KFC there in St. Anne. Okay. Cause I know say as you drive down the road, if you go on trip and when you drive down the road you want to one KFC. If you drive up you say if you're not still on KFC you say, oh, wait, oh when you can't find on KFC. So it must be more than one. Yeah, St. Catherine is big. So St. Catherine have many too. Yeah. But we soon say we have many too. Don't worry man. St. Thomas soon have many KFC. Just the same. Keep my fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yeah. And it's raining where you guys at? Or is night coming down? Outside looks so dark like it's gonna rain. Cause it did say it was supposed to rain, and it never did. But outside look really overcast, like we're getting some rain. Ochi is not a parish. Yeah, I know. But Ochi is in St. Anne. True. Ochi is in St. Anne. So St. Anne would have many um KFC. Yeah. Ochi na in a St. Anne, yeah. So Ochi alone have two and St. Anne have many. Thank you so much, Silver Fox, for coming in live. I'm gonna end the live soon in the maybe next 2-3 minutes. So thank you so much for coming as usual. Catch you on the next live for sure. Definitely. And remember to stay safe. Yeah. Bye, Lola. Lola leaving too. We soon leave, man. We just a wrap up. We just a wrap up the KFC argument. KFC argument done, and we're wrapping up shortly. That Easter this year was great for everybody, seems to be, because the last 2 years we were locked down and most people came out this year. A lot of activities took place over the holiday. A lot of kite festival, a lot of Easter fest, several things happen. Unfortunately, we couldn't have been at all the places at one time. Yes. Yeah, man, Saint Elizabeth, Saint. Why am I? It's like Saint Elizabeth. I like Saint Elizabeth. I like Mandeville. I like Portland. I like St. Anne because St. Anne have some real good attractions. Where else I like? Not so sure about Hanover. Trelawney is good with some other places that I've been. I remember go Westmoreland and nothing. Westmoreland look like it far. Sav not bad. Sav is still Westmoreland Senti. Sav is still Senti Shireen. Montego Bay. Montego Bay have beautiful beaches, nice children friendly beaches. Like you can basically go out in the water and the water still catch you at your ankle. Yeah. So Oh, Jamaica is beautiful all around. It's really beautiful. So we're inviting anyone who wants to come along to experience our culture. Our people are friendly, everything. Just come along. We are here to receive you guys. So ignore whatever else is there. Jamaica is good and nice and beautiful. All the parishes are beautiful in their unique ways. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. I've been on air for over an hour. Lord have mercy. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for the love, Nashona. Thank you for the job you're doing. Thank you, everyone. Sylvester gone already. And thank him for tuning in all the way from Maryland. Thank you, Lola, for tuning in. Thank you, guys. Thank you. My page would have not be the same without you guys. Yes, a lot of historical sites in the parishes, different parishes of different things. So come along over and enjoy. Let us enjoy our beautiful island. Been to all the 14 parishes. Me too. Yeah, I've been to all the 14 parishes, but some of them I don't stay, like, oh, I stay in St. Anne, I stay in St. T, I stay in Manchester, Portland, like Westmoreland, I believe I just barely passed through. Mobay, I've been to Mobay and stay. Mobay is really nice. I've been there. Yeah. But the parishes have their own unique style, unique ways of doing things. Sometimes when I go to a parish, I look and see some woolly people. I say, then oh, Jamaica still have 2 point something million people, and so much people down here, so much people there at home, so much people. It must pass that long time. When you remember when we grew up in a school and them say Jamaica have 2.2 million people, something like that. I think we passed that long time. I don't know what happened a while ago. Nation, I don't know what happened a while ago. The live basically start over. I don't know what happened. Are you still there, guys? I don't know what happened. The live start over. Have no idea. And then when it started over, I came and saw people still here. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't start over the live. Facebook, I do some, YouTube, I do some things you may not understand. Nation, what happened a while ago? It's like YouTube are telling me said that I need to go live 2 times. I don't know. What happened a while ago? Yeah, I realized people are still here. And it starts over, basically. Over. I don't know what's happened. I don't know. I don't know what happened. If somebody can tell me what happened a while ago, I will be gladly. Yeah, because it tell me now it have 1 minute and 56 seconds. That's what it's telling me. It not continuing. Oh, maybe it don't count the hours like that. See, it's raining. It don't count the hours like that because that's what it's telling me now. Hmm? In Asia now? It's telling me it's 2 minutes something. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and we will see each other on another live. Two more persons are you. How do I know the persons who are here? But it's not you alone here. You didn't come off. Oh, I don't know what happened. I don't know exactly what took place. Because I was about to say, okay, see you guys on another live, and then me just see start reconnecting, and then it comes back. And connect back, and it comes back, starting over the count. So I'm not so sure. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Nashona. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming in. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of the day. Remember to read your Bible, say your prayers, and be good to each other. All right. So see you on the next live. Bye.